If you don't have a hater, you might not be living your best life. Here's why. By the way, by hater, I mean someone that disapproves of you, is not encouraging you, and is not being generally supportive on you. This is not a commentary on racism, bigotry, or any of those despicable forms of hatred towards other humans. A part of being you and showing up in the world and having dreams and doing big things and making changes, you're going to attract people that disapprove of you. In fact, you sometimes might even attract people that just hate you. They might complain about you. They might say bad things about you. And here's the reality. That actually means you're on the right track. If you were just sitting back, doing nothing, living a safe life, you wouldn't have anyone complain about anything about you. I mean, maybe you would, that's just part of being human, but you get my point. That if you don't have someone that is disapproving of you, if you don't have a hater, you're probably not doing big, bold, courageous things with your life. Because let's face it, when we show up as us, we have some people that either love us and are attracted to us. We will also have people that don't really care that much at all. And then we will have people that hate us. So that's just life. That's just what it's like being a human being. And try to think of your haters as a good thing. Try to think of people that leave troll comments on your ads as a good thing. Try to think of relatives that are back talking about you as a good thing. Look at these all as little tests and little pieces of truth that you are showing up as a more authentic version of you and who you want to be in this world. So keep moving forward, keep doing the hard work, and good things will happen.